Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to fix if the Bluetooth is connected but there is no sound in your connected device. So this is the device which is connected but there is no sound. To fix this issue, first try to remove this device and after that reconnect this device again. In the most cases, this will fix the issue. One more thing you can check is right click on the speaker icon. Then click on this option, open sound settings. Now you will see this output option, and if you see multiple options or the connected device is showing, in that case select that device. Or you can just click on this sound option, the speaker icon, and here if you see your connected device, select that device from here as well. Now move on to the next step. You can try to fix this issue. So run the troubleshooter. So click on this search box, type troubleshoot. You will see this result, troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now click on additional troubleshooters. Now here you will see this option Bluetooth. Click on it. Click on run the troubleshooter. So this will try to identify and fix the issue related with the Bluetooth. And here you can see the issue has been fixed. So after completing this process, restart your system and this will fix the error. Now move on to the next step you can try if you are still getting the same problem. Open Windows Services. So click on this search box and then type service. You will see this result services. Click on it. So these are the Windows services you have in your system. Now you have to right click on this service, Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. Right click on it. Then click on Properties. Now in the startup type, select Automatic always. Then click on Apply. After that, stop this service and then again start this service. So you have to restart this service, okay, and make sure the startup type will be automatic always. Click on OK. After that, right click on this service, Bluetooth Support Service. Right click on it. Go to Properties. Here also select Automatic. Click on Apply. After that, stop this service. Click on Yes. Then again start this service. Then click on OK. Cut this window. That's it. Now move on to the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, open Device Manager. So right click on Windows icon, then click on this option Device Manager. Now here you will see the Bluetooth driver. Expand this option. Now here you can see all the Bluetooth driver you have. So you have to update all the Bluetooth drivers one by one. So simply right click on it, go to Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically. So this will update your Bluetooth driver. So do the same thing with all the Bluetooth driver options you have in your system. So update all the Bluetooth drivers like this. Then click on Close. Cut this window and after updating the drivers, restart your system. This is all for the video. Thank you.